Hey, what's up you guys? If you're planning on towing a trailer with your Nissan Titan, you have to have trailer wiring installed. It's required by the law. So let's go ahead and break down this really easy install. You'll need the tools seen here to complete this installation. So to start, Nissan has a pre-existing plug located behind the bumper that's already pre-wired for our trailer wiring. So it's located right up here on our passenger side. You'll see it's just this round plug right here. So this plug is held in by a tab. All we have to do is just pull back on it and it will slide right off. And you can see the bottom of the tab right here. So now we will be installing this dual plug that has both the 7-way and the 4-flat trailer wiring connections. On the back we have our OEM plug that will just plug into there. Now there's not a lot of mounting options for our wiring on our Titan. Our bumper is slightly curved right here. And on our crossbar, there's not enough space for us to open up our wiring or to fit it in over the hitch. So we're going to be using a hitch mounting bracket. This goes on top of the hitch or underneath it and will allow us to put our bracket that comes with our kit for our wiring right here to keep it out of the way. So now we're going to take our hitch mounting bracket and we're just going to line it up on the hitch right here. And then we're going to take our clamp and we're going to go through this hole over our bracket and around our hitch. And then we're going to take our clamp and we're just going to pull it through. And then we're going to take a 5/16 socket and we're going to tighten up this clamp. Now that we have it tightened and secure, we're just going to cut off the end of our clamp. Now we're going to take our 7-way bracket that's included with our kit and we're going to install it on our hitch mounted bracket. We're going to use the provided screws and then we'll tighten it down using a 10mm socket. Now we're going to take our trailer wiring and we're going to pull it through our bracket and we're going to secure it using the 4 provided screws. And then we'll tighten up the screws using a flathead screwdriver. Now we're going to remove the cap on our OEM plug. There's a tab on top that we're going to press down and then pull it out. And then we're going to plug in our trailer wiring. With our wiring plugged in, now we need to make sure that it's powered up by checking 3 relays in our engine compartment fuse box. Our fuse box is located right here on the passenger side of our engine compartment. We're just going to pop open our lid right here and we're going to check underneath our cap for our 3 trailer towing relays. That is this brown one right here and these 2 blue ones right here. Now our Titan has those relays in place. If your Titan does not have the relays in place, you'll need to purchase a relay kit that comes with those 3 relays. That way you can power up your trailer wiring so you can use it. You can purchase this at your closest U-Haul or at uhaul.com. With your relays in place and wiring plugged in, you're ready to tow a trailer. Thank you for watching our video. If you have any questions about this product, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with a U-Haul Hitch professional, you can visit your closest U-Haul Hitch Center, or you can visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. Thank you.